Types of aux cord users, part 4. Let's see if they can like make a part 5 of this.
What's goody? It's your boy Rhino, aka whoever threw that, your mom's a hoe. And you guys are watching Loveliveserve. If it's your first time on the channel, what's up? I mean, it is part 4 of the series, so like you should probably kind of know. But nonetheless, welcome to Loveliveserve. We are dedicated to bringing you guys high quality, relatable, quirky skits multiple times a week. So thanks for joining us. Subscribe if you're new. Like I said, this is part 4 of the types of aux cord users series. Let me know if you guys could relate to any of these in the comment section below. And let us know, like, is this one your favorite? Was the first the best one? The second? Let us know in the comments. Let's get straight into it. Types of aux cord users, part 4. Let's get it. The guy is mad at his girlfriend. Okay, well, why were you texting him?
It's literally my cousin. It's literally my cousin.
Why does your cousin look like Channing Tatum? That's my thing.
That's not my fault. I don't know what the hell you want me to tell you.
You didn't want to tell me he was that handsome.
You have issues.
I don't know why you... You know what? Just give me the aux cord, please. Thank you. Tired of hearing this.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
What?
What is that supposed to mean?
That's my song I'm playing.
Fuck that bitch. Are you saying fuck me now? Like screw me? Like you don't care about me?
This is like
whoa, chill, it's just a song.
It's a random playlist.
No, it's not.
The one who didn't get Spotify Premium.
Hurry into Old Navy and get 40% off your entire purchase, or 50% off when you use our Open Old Navy card. Buy online and pick up in store today. That's 40% off your entire purchase, only at Old Navy.
Sorry, that was the ad. Put the fucking music on. The person who listens to gay hip hop. Here you go. Oh, sweet, thank you. Here you go. What you got for me? Get ready.
Suck him down with my chopper, with my chopper. Suck him chili sucker.
Hey.
He can't take this dick, get him water. Shoot him with the come to I'm on that dick street, give it.
Timothy. All right, Timothy, it's about that time, man. Huh? What? The aux. You got some? Why I always gotta play music? Why can't we just drive and be quiet? Dude, it's the aux cord video. Just put it Fine. Last time. Okay, put something on. Give me for my sins, yeah. Nigga, watch. They plot. That why. They wearing it. Pussy niggas be McFan. Like Darren. Niggas talking about the thirsty guy who plays the one song he knows the white girls in the car are going to like. Alright, man, if I get this aux real quick. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on like one of my favorite songs that I've been listening to right now. One of my favorite songs.
Oh my god!
Oh, jeez.
I love this.
Oh, y'all know this song? Yeah, y'all know this one? Yeah.
I love this song.
Oh, yeah, that's kind of goes. I mean, I guess it's kind of like my favorite song right now. Oh my god. Wow, holy crap. The one with the broken aux cord. Hey, if you could like hold this, yeah, you get it. Like turn it a little bit, then yeah, bend that. If you could, here, like a little high. Oh, well, just how to like prop it up on. Can you like prop it and like
The person who turns down the music at the best part.
Hey, she got me in my feelings. Hey, gotta be real with it.
Wait, so where are we going again?
What are you doing?
Where are we going?
Why would you pause the song there?
No one told me where we were going. I forgot.
Pause it right there. You just had to turn it down. You don't turn it off.
Yeah.
Wait, did you turn off your show again? Again? You're gonna do this again? I don't want the house to burn down.
Why would you?
You always be leaving it on, trying to make sure our whole house is fine, but yep, just that keeps me right.
Oh my god.
The person who doesn't even know what an aux cord is.
Alright, Mom. You're up next.
Up next for what?
The aux. I'm giving you the aux.
What's an aux? This is an aux?
Aux cord, yeah, for your music.
What do I do with this?
Plug your phone into it, and you can pick. You have iTunes or like Apple Music.
I have Apple Music.
So you plug it in.
That's Rhino's actual mom.
Then you just start playing your stuff.
Oh, no, back. Your library. Artists.
There you go.
Okay, here we playing.
Who do you want to play? Best favorite artist right now?
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi. All right. The person who thinks they can sing just as good as the artist.
Oh, how many ways can I
say that I need you, baby, it's true.
You seem like Blueface.
I think I might die without you. Feeling, I know where you like it.
Jeez.
Bro, you can't sing. Yo, chill. What? You can't sing. Yes, I can. Dude, please stop. Bro, one more song. Dude, I literally was just warming
Blueface
up.
was trying to
Person
sing
who's
in the
using
car.
their GPS.
Man, I'm on a mission, I'm getting up on my grind. They were trying to
Take the 5th exit. Keep left.
I don't wanna see me shine.
Yeah, that gets really
But I'm
annoying.
steady fighting, putting
Take the 2nd exit.
everything on the line. Destination close on my
Continue straight.
Can you change that? Like, is it...
Turn left.
Okay. Can you,
Shut up, we're trying to
you're not happy to
listen.
say...
I'll turn it down.
Music.
video got me fucked.
In 0.6 miles, take the 4th exit. In 1 kilometer,
Oh, come on,
keep
what is
left.
this- what is-
In 200 meters, turn left.
What are you
turn
using
right.
to navigate
Continue
on this?
straight. In a quarter of a mile,
Is it new?
turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left.
Where does it have it taking us?
Keep right.
Where are we going?
Turn left.
Timothy again.
All right, Timothy, one more before the video ends. Just one more song, man.
All right, last song.
This should be good.
Hey, you say have enough? Now whatever I come get a few of them. She born ain't nothing I can do it up. I really wish there was a few of them. Because the business is invalid. Because the niggas is invalid. Ain't gonna say it won't happen. So me going broke is invalid.
All right, you guys made it to the end of the video.
Don't you dare click away. I just had to, I'm sorry. Gotta do my outro. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the video, my reaction. Types of off-road user part 4. Can't wait to see part 5 in the future. What Loveliveserve has to offer. Yeah, if you're new, make sure you guys subscribe. Check out my other videos I uploaded recently, yesterday. If you want to or not, it's your choice. Do what you gotta do. Have a great day.